Good morning, students. I Neelam am here. Today I am going to teach you here chapter number that is 68, different system of medicines, that is based on science and technology. Today I am telling you about here second system of medicine dash involve creating the patient's energy by fixing at different energy centers of the body. So this is pranic healing. Okay, I am going to teach you about today, that is pranic healing. Pranic healing, it is highly developed. This pranic healing is highly developed and tested system of energy treatment that uses prana to balance, harmonize and transform the body's energy processes. Prana is the Sanskrit word that means life force. That means life force. Life force. Prana healing is a simple yet powerful and effective system of non-touch energy healing. The founder of pranic healing, that is modern founder of pranic healing, was Chua Kok Sui, who was a Chinese spiritual teacher. He had written over 22 books and were translated into 27 languages. Pranic healing is an energy, no touch healing system based on the fundamental principle that the body has the innate ability to heal itself. Pranic healing utilizes life force, energy or prana to accelerate the body's inborn ability to heal itself. It is practiced by hundreds of thousands across the world. Headaches, flu, ulcers, back pain, asthma, migraines, mental illness, cancer, and much more diseases can be cured with the use of pranic healing. Pranic healing is based on the fundamental principle that the body has characteristics of self-repairing. By self-healing, we mean that the body is empowered with the innate ability to heal itself. हमारी बॉडी में इतनी पावर है कि ये हम इसको खुद ही हील कर सकते हैं. Pranic healing is based on two laws. One is the law of self-recovery and the second law is of prana or life energy. Armed with these two basic laws, we can start the process of miraculous healing. It is very good for our emotional and spiritual healing. There are namely 6 steps to help in the healing system. First step is clear the negative emotions. When you are starting pranic healing, first step is clear the negative emotions and also help in limiting strong beliefs, and this will help maintain a state of high energy and also help generate great health. Second is it includes pranic or mindful breathing. Then we take mindful breathing. It includes a specific breathing count and involves mindful practice of holding the breath in your lungs. And the third step includes energy manipulation. Fourth step, it includes an energetic hygiene, which helps keep the energy body as clean and keyed up. This can be achieved by bringing about lifestyle changes in the form of dietary changes and special physical exercises. The fifth step includes meditation. In this step, you start doing meditation. And six is it includes very powerful energy generation exercises. This is about pranic healing. In my earlier video, I have taught you about Unani system of medicine. So today you have learned about pranic healing. This is also very important system of medicines here. So pranic healing is very useful for us. It can cure many diseases like headaches, flu, ulcers, back pain, asthma, migraines, mental illness, cancer, and much more diseases. And here, third, Philip, that is, it is a system in which small doses of natural substances stimulate the patient's immune system. So this third is homeopathy. Third is homeopathy. And four, dash is a Japanese method of healing a person by placing hands on a particular areas to pass on the cosmic energy to the patient. So this is called here Reiki. We call this Reiki. Number 4, Reiki is a Japanese method of healing a person by placing hands on a particular areas to pass on the cosmic energy to the patient. Then fifth is naturopathy, is the oldest system of medicine which believes in healing the patient in a natural way. So this is naturopathy. Okay. Then 6 is Ayurveda, is a system which believes that the main causes of disease is the imbalance of different systems of our body. So this is 6 is Ayurveda. 7 is here acupuncture, is the Chinese method of treatment which involves piercing needles in affected areas to stimulate these points to heal the patients. So this is a Chinese method of treatment, that is acupuncture, which involves piercing needles in affected areas to stimulate these points to heal the patients. So this is about different systems of medicines you have learned. So complete and learn about these different systems of medicines. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself. Thank you and have a nice day. Yes, this is acupuncture, and this is about homeopathic treatment. Thank you and have a nice day.